Hi guys, meron ako na pick up today. Chanel. We have 7 pairs of earrings from Chanel. Try natin to. This is the first one. Ang ganda, very pretty siya. No, ito po. Wow, ganda no. Let's see. Meron siyang pink. So this one has a pink and black two-tone. Yan. Pink and black, mga sis. Ganda. Very pretty. Napaka-nice. Wow. Wow. Social. No? Okay. That's the first one. It's classic and may pagka, may pagka vintage, no? This one comes with a big box. And this is in, oh my god, rectangle! Look at that! Nice! Rectangle ba yan? Square pala na may CC logo. Napaka-nice ng detailing. I like this one. Diba? Let me try it on. Pretty! Very simple but social. Very classy na siya. Simple pero social. I like it when it's simple pero classy. No? We like that kind of vibe. Hindi yung magulong vibe. Ganun. Nice. And then the third one I have. Now let's see. God, this one naman is may meron siyang bow, mga ma'am, with CC logo. Kita ba? No? Mga 2024. B 2024. Okay. Ganyan siya. No. Ganun ang dating. Ganyan dapat ang datingan, mga sis. No, social. Very nice. So far so good. I like all of them. Ganda sila. And hindi kasi ito mabibigat, mga ma'am. Kahit 24 oras